how to arrange bookmarks in Google Chrome. In this video session, let's go and learn how we can manage our bookmarks more effectively so that we know what is what and we have quick access to the web pages that we are interested in. When we look at Google Chrome, on the top right hand side, we've got three dots. Let's press on that. Here we have bookmarks and lists, and we have Bookmark Manager. Let's press on Bookmark Manager. Here is all your bookmarks that you can see. You can also press on the three dots. You can export bookmarks or even import them, perhaps from Microsoft Edge. Here we can add a bookmark manually. Let's say sample site, and provide the URL manually if we want. But let's imagine you wanted to bookmark this particular page using Google Chrome. When you see the star icon, you can press on that so that you can bookmark it. Here it says, where do you want to save it? So your Bookmark Manager is a place for you to manage your bookmarks. Here you can create, let's say, a new folder. Let's imagine we say news as an example. Let's save that folder. We can press on the folder, and here we can actually add a bookmark manually, or we can press and hold our mouse key and move the folder elsewhere, including within other folders. So keep that in mind. You can always press on the folder, and actually let's right click the folder. We can rename it or delete it if we want. Now, as you grow your bookmarks and lists, if your Google account is synced, I'll show you where that setting is as well. Let's press on the three dots as an example. Let's go to settings. Here, when you open settings, you can see that my Google Chrome on the desktop is actually synced to my mobile device. That means all the bookmarks that I save in Google Chrome will be automatically synced to my mobile device. Mobile device, Google Chrome. And if I press on the three dots on a mobile device, let's say Android app, I can see my bookmarks. And here's the bookmarks. And that is coming from here. Why? Because it is synced between devices. So it's streamlined and it's more effective if you're using a laptop, for example, coupled with your mobile device. Let's press on Sync and Google Services. Here you can turn on Sync or turn it off. Or you can actually manage what gets synced. Perhaps you don't want to sync everything, and perhaps you just want to sync the bookmarks only. So then you toggle what you want to sync. I tend to sync everything to streamline the Google account usage. So let's imagine you want to bookmark a YouTube channel. Then simply press on the star icon. The shortcut on your keyboard is if you press Ctrl key plus letter D, you can access, as in quickly get to Bookmarks Manager, as in bookmark a particular web page. Here you can actually change the folder you want to bookmark a particular web page in, whether it's mobile bookmarks. Perhaps you want to create a list of bookmarks just for your mobile device. If that's the case, you have that option as well. Or while here, you can actually create a folder here as well. So your bookmark manager in Google Chrome is the place where you can manage all your bookmarks. You can, through the browser address bar area, bookmark a particular page and choose another folder as in created here as well. So what's the difference between this method and this? There isn't any method. All your bookmarks are saved in your bookmark list. And as I've said, if you want your Google Chrome to be synced between devices, which is actually useful if you're using Google Chrome on a laptop as well as mobile device, then you can turn on sync. So that is how you manage bookmarks in Google Chrome. Once again, the shortcut key is Ctrl D on your keyboard. You can press on the star icon to quickly bookmark a page, or you can access your bookmark manager from Google Chrome. This is your Google bookmarks here. And while here I'll show you, let's say you want to delete a particular bookmark, you can actually do that here as well. Okay, so here you can add, delete, do all sorts of stuff. Anytime you want to learn how to use Google User Options, it's smart to explore the screen real estate and take a look at certain things. As in when you see dots or question marks, you want to press on them to quickly see what's going on. Let's export the bookmarks. I'll show you that option as well. And that's a backup. Now I can import that perhaps to another browser if I want. Within here you can actually search your bookmarks as well. Let's say I search for Rankia. Here's all the bookmarks that mentions the keyword Rankia. So that is how you organize and manage your Google Chrome bookmarks. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.